Good day, everybody. Today is very special. Let's do a mushroom biryani with some leftover prawns. Okay, for this, I have got around 15 large mushrooms. I have put some butter here. Okay, it's a big, large piece of butter on the flame. Okay, and then we will saute this. All right, so saute them nicely and add some butter if you need it. Nice saute. They have to be a bit golden, just like how you fry your mushrooms for your morning breakfast. Okay. So once they are just enough, just done, release the flame. Put it on low medium heat and close it for a while. So that's it, done. Shut it off. Okay, and let it cool down. Keep it aside. Leave this water. We need the water. I'll use the same pan to fry 2 large onions. Okay, and then I will tell you what we will do next. So I've saved the mushrooms here, and now I will nicely add some oil in a pan, the same pan. Okay, we don't change the pan. Use the same pan because the flavor will remain there. Put good oil. It will be hot, and then we'll drop the onions. So the goal is to brown these 2 large onions. Okay, we'll make them crispy golden brown. Okay, you can add ghee if you like, but I don't have ghee today, so I'm just managing with just the normal cooking oil. Right. So this is my leftover prawn from yesterday. So it's got a bit of liquidy sauce, you can see, and this will make a lovely, beautiful mushroom with leftover prawn biryani. Okay, now I will prepare the next phase of cooking. My onions are turning brown, and I will use that much for the biryani, and that much will go for placing on top of the pulao. Okay, all this will be done in a beautiful rice cooker. Just no briners. Okay, easy, simple cooking. Fast and easy, delicious. One meal covers vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and everything, including maybe not Chinese or Chinese too. Thank you. So my onions are brown and ready. Okay, I will use that much for cooking, and now let me jump on the rice cooker. Okay, and it's going to be easy peasy. All right. First, I have to just arrange my coriander leaves and mint leaves and a tomato, and that's it, and some garam masala. It's going to be simple, easy peasy. So let's start the simple process. First I will put some butter. Okay, just a bit, or how do I say, it's like say 25-30 grams. Butter is very good. Yeah, butter is in there. Okay, so turn the cooker on and then wait for it to get hot. So make sure you put the lid. That way you can turn the cooker on, because it's got a kind of a sensor in here. So as it gets hot, as I told you, you need some onion for your cooking. So we'll take it from here. Okay. So you don't need to struggle on the cooker. So put the onion here, just one small layer. Put your rice, say 1.5 cups, 1.5. Okay. So shut it a bit for some time till I get the water. Okay, there you go. 1, 2. Now get the third one. 3 cups. So it's 1:2. So here we go. Put some turmeric powder. That much. Cloves, maybe 7-8. Star anise, 2. Cinnamon, 1 tomato. Coriander, mint leaves. Stir it well. Wait for some time till it boils. So this one, the prawns has got some sauce in it. So remember, that will go also in the pulao or the biryani. And the beautiful mushroom also, they're all cooked. So all this goes last, right? So 1.5 cups of basmati rice. It's 3 cups of water. 1:2. Now we'll put a nice heap of ginger garlic paste. Simple. Okay, just stir a bit. So I hope you have noticed we have not yet put our salt. So let's do the salt now. So just say 1 teaspoon is enough, because you know the prawns has got some salt in it. The mushrooms I did not put, maybe half more. Okay, that's it. Shut it and silently wait until it gets cooked. The cooker will tell you, you don't have to worry about the timing. The water will go down, and that's the time just before it's getting cooked. It's time you put the mushroom and the prawns, because they're already cooked. All right. So in a few minutes you need to check. Say in 10 minutes you check. You see it's almost getting cooked. It's the time to put your prawns in. Make sure that you push the prawns a bit in and give it a slight stir. Okay. In fact, the prawns are cooked, but you know the masala of the prawn should move around. That's the goal. Okay. The mushrooms at the last, just on top. That's it. Okay. Right. So when you're almost ready and getting there, it's important to put the fried onions. So the reason I'm doing this in this way is just because I need the flavors to go from the top to the bottom of the rice. So in other biryanis you actually keep it on top, but this one preferably I would like to push it in, because there's not much of spices in there, just enough. So this one will make it very delicious, very tasty, and will give the dish a better flavor, make it tasty. Okay, so don't worry about the onions. Onions always, you know, the more the merrier. Okay, it's not like less is more, more is less. Yeah, it's like you have to put as much as you can so that it can, you know, pull the flavor in. Yeah. So I have some leftover, so this I will keep it in the fridge, and probably I'll use it for some of the dish as a topping to my sandwich. So after all this, okay, put the mushroom water. It's got some butter in, and let the mushroom steam on top. Yeah. Just a simple dish, lot of flavor and lot of energy. You see, in one dish I have almost everything covered. Shut the lid, wait for 5 minutes, should be almost there. The switch will go off, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so the beautiful mushroom biryani with leftover prawns is ready. Let's just check how it is. Voila, pretty good. Beautiful, beautiful, lovely, tasty. Let's just check. Excellent. Enjoy, guys.